Hello everyone! You won't need another recipe once you've tried these delicate and buttery melt in your mouth cookies. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with a clean dry bowl, we will take room temperature unsalted butter. In case you wish to use margarine, you can very well use that too. To this we will add the icing sugar or home ground powdered sugar. Just make sure to sieve it well. And since this is a delicate cookie, icing sugar gives that soft, tender texture we're looking for. Gently mix it with a spatula until it turns smooth and creamy. This is exactly what we're looking for, light and combined. Next, let us take in the dry ingredients. That is the all-purpose flour, along with cornstarch. And do not skip the cornstarch, as it's the cornstarch that helps these cookies stay soft and almost melt in your mouth texture. Now gently mix everything together and avoid overmixing the dough. Just bring it together softly. If you'd like to substitute the all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour, make sure to take in only about 50 grams of it. And now at this point you can use your hand at this stage, but lightly bring it together to a smooth dough, using only your fingertips. This looks perfect, soft but not sticky. Now bring in your baking tray lined with parchment paper. And this is where it gets interesting. We'll be taking a quarter cup of desiccated coconut, along with some dates, which are sliced into thin strips. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a tiny log. Flatten it slightly and place a slice of date in the center. Gently roll it back to seal, forming a neat little log again. Now coat it generously with the desiccated coconut, making sure it's evenly covered. And this will go onto the baking tray. Simply repeat the same with the remaining dough. But make sure to place them evenly spaced out on the tray, as they will expand slightly on baking. You will get about 18 such beautiful little rolls. And these are now ready to go into the oven. Bake them in a preheated oven for about 14 to 15 minutes, or just until they're lightly golden. I prefer to bake my goodies with the bottom rod on, without the fan mode. And here they are, soft golden date rolls. These are the kind of cookies that feel simple but taste so special. And that delicate coconut coating, so crisp on the outside. Can't wait to see how they've turned out on the inside, with the natural sweetness from the dates, pairing beautifully with the buttery base. Let us slice into one of them. Look at that center, perfectly baked, soft and rich. Do give them a try. Happy baking! Thank you for watching. Bye for now.